Hey guys, today we're gonna install this. Alright, so real close. I mean, it is plastic and it's not super clean, right? There's still some burrs left on the sides, on the bottom. It's got a 3M tape. See. But see if I can clean this off a little bit before I put them on. And it comes with instructions and alcohol pads to make sure we clean the contact surface before we attach it. Alright, so real quick, just dry fitting it. I got a problem with my limb risers. They're in the way, so I'm gonna have to trim the corners just a little bit for it to sit flush. Alright, so after some cut-off wheel action and I got it to fit now correctly. So now it's sitting flat. The other side. So the issues that remain is if I line it up right where it's supposed to go, which is basically right here. This is where it fits the contour of the hood, right? It doesn't protect the edge, right? The edge is left over. So they didn't do a good job on the sections on the outside. Same as this side, got the same problem. And this is not a, moving it up and down kind of issue, right? Because it just sits only in one location to fit the contour. And you have this left over, and their edge is not really exactly straight, as you can see. But whatever. It is what it is. And another thing is, just from fingernails that made definitely some marks that just did not come off. So I don't know exactly what I know it's plastic, but it leaves every little mark on there and you can see it, which again is the off-road rig, so I don't really care. But down the road I'll probably just have to do some bed lining like I did my fender liners. So now we'll go ahead and clean up the hood and get installed. Alright, so now the hood's clean, the next step is to expose the edge of this tape. Which is easier said than done since I just cut my nails. Come on. Alright. So that's about 2 inches of it. And then bend it like that so you can pull it when you install it on the car. Alright, so this is how I got it ready. Now we'll put it on. Alright, so it's centered. So we're going to start removing tapes. Stick the top first before we remove the bottom tape. All right, so now we'll just stick it all the way. All right, that's about it. So, thank you for my awesome daughter for being my videographer. All right. So yeah, so same thing I said before, right? So there's just a little off on these corners. But overall, it'll do what it's supposed to do, hopefully. The main reason I got is obviously the rock chips. And you can see one right under there. And there was a couple other ones that I had seen. But the only thing I don't like about it is the edge, obviously. And that you can see every little mark on it. So I might have to do something later about it, but that works. Thanks for watching.